Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new post in WordPress. So if you want to create or add a post in WordPress, here's a quick guide on how to get it done. So just head over to your browser, then log on to your WordPress account by just simply tapping your email, then your password, then to take you back to your WordPress account. Then you simply tap on the particular website you want to create a post in. So right now I'm currently in editor's mode on a particular website, and I want to hide a post in the website. So once you log on, just tap on this post icon, tap on it, then you can see right in front of it, you can see all posts, add a new post, categories and tags. So I'm just going to tap on add a new post. I'm just going to give seconds to load as the good. This is the page where we are going to create our post. So this is the post title, and this is the content, which is choose the block. So I'm just going to write a title which is Xbox, Xbox controller. Which is pretty cool. Xbox controller. So right here you can just simply add the type the content. Is it here? That's it. Xbox controller. So once you're done, then right here under the block, you can start to change you can start to configure under the block of the post. You can start to add the text color, a background color, and the typography. You can also change the dimension, the border, the attribute, and some other advanced features. So once you configure that, you can also switch this slide from the block back to the post. So from here you can also configure the post, if you want it to be drafted or you want it to be published. So you can just start from here. You can see private, schedule, publish. So I just want to draft this for now. Just put on it, and we're going to put it on draft. So from there you can also set on the publish. Is it immediately you want it to be published, or you want to set a time frame, or you want to schedule a time frame for it. So you can also change the slug, the author, the template, and the dimension. Once you configure this, then just tap on publish. Then you're going to see from here post published, and that is how to publish or create a post in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.